Let's say you're going to use a washer and you set the timer on the beginning of the cycle and turn it on. The washer fills to a selected level and it starts agitating. You come back an hour later, the timer is on the off position, but when you open the door, the washer has water on the tub. Do the following to see if the washer drains or not. Close the door on the washer and set the timer on the spin cycle and turn it on. And open the door on the washer. Pull the drain hose out of the drain pipe a little bit like this and take a look at the water flow. If the water just trickles out, that's an indication of an obstruction or a bad pump impeller. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Open the door on the washer. Use a bucket and a plastic container to bail out as much water as you can from the washer. When you cannot bail any more water, lean the washer against the wall like this so the water goes to the back side of the washer and you could finish removing any water left on the machine. Remove the front panel so you could get access to the pump and the hoses. You will need to check the following places for obstructions. Use a core hanger wire to remove any obstruction from the tub, like this. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove any obstruction from inside of the pump. If your hose has a removable gooseneck, remove it and check for obstructions inside of the gooseneck. So if the pump is running and the washer is not draining, those are the places that you need to look for obstructions.